Hello guys and welcome. In this video we're going to see how to install Git on Windows. So you search for Git download and click on the first link. We need Git on our system because by default Git repository is created within Angular project. So to avoid any kind of errors initially, we are going to download this. You can also skip creation of this Git repository by one command. We are going to see that later. So just let us initially first start with Git downloading and installation. So we are going to click on this button to download Git for Windows. So your downloading has been started. Now once the download is complete, just double click on this. The setup is quite simple. Just follow the steps. Run. Now once the installation has been done, you can check the version of the Git by running a command from the command prompt. So go to cmd, run this command git --version. Now this is the version at the time of recording. Now another thing is we need to configure email and the username for the Git repository. So we are going to run two more commands. So you say git config --global user.email and you specify your email ID. Similar to that, git config --global user.name and you mention your username. Now that's all. So in the next video we're going to see how to create new Angular project. So thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.